the original RAZR was one of the most iconic cell phones ever created, and it seems that Motorola's parent company, Lenovo, is looking to take advantage of that brand with an updated foldable phone similar to the one Samsung has hired later this year. The new RAZR will be exclusive to Verizon in the USUU with a release plan for February, although the device is still in testing and the details have not yet been finalized. This is not the first time that the RAZR brand has experienced a resurrection attempt. In 2011 and 2012, Motorola also joined Verizon seems to really like the name RAZR for a series of Droid RAZR devices, which they tested to take advantage of the goodwill of the RAZR devices, although without any of the folding phone designs that were part of the original charm. The smartphones to the present in updated forms is beginning to become a trend. The version of Nokia owned by HMD has almost made it a home industry with re-releases of the Nokia 3310 and the Nokia 8110, but those devices were meant to be fun, nostalgic news, not emblematic competitors. Lenovo expects to manufacture more than 200,000 of the new RAZRs, which may seem optimistic for a $1,500 luxury smartphone. But taking into account that the RAZR V3 model, although it is much cheaper, sold 130 million units during its useful life, if the Rays manage to attack twice, that objective might not be so difficult to achieve.